Hey friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest and the tastiest white chicken pulao or the Morog Pulao. So let's get started. So first, in a pan, adding black peppercorns and whole garam masala spices. I will put everything in the description box, all the ingredients details, and once the garam masala and the peppercorn starts to crackle, adding up the onions, the chopped onions, frying up the onions until it becomes translucent. So the next step is going to be adding the marinated whole chicken pieces. I've marinated the chicken with curd, little bit of curd and ginger and garlic paste already for half an hour or so. Adding the marinated chicken and going to cook it for some time. After 5 to 10 minutes of cooking the chicken, adding up the fried potatoes. The adding up of the potatoes is completely optional. I love potatoes, so I have added them. After that, adding water. Cooking the chicken for around 10 minutes or so, and then adding the washed and cleaned rice into the chicken. The rice is uncooked and I am using here the small grain rice. It is called the adab chal or the kali jeera rice, whatever you call it. And I'm not using basmati rice here because Morog Pulao is the best when it's done with adab chal or the kali jeera rice. Also, don't forget to add salt as per your taste during this stage. Thereafter, I'm going to cover the pan with a lid and going to cook it for at least 10 minutes until the chicken and the rice, everything gets cooked together. The final touch is adding desi ghee, a lot of desi ghee into the Morog Pulao, and it is done. Ready to serve and enjoy.